going crazy down bad. What the hell did it last down, baby? But as you know now, baby, come join me while I work. I start these videos like this because, again, I want to remind you, put the passion, put the energy while you work. This is the working setup here, the working office. This is where all the magic happens. And you have to add some passion. Enjoy what you do. Enjoy the process. Be grateful. That's it for now. Actually, before I want to start, I want to leave you off with a quote. And it says, don't let anyone tell you you can't be a king. You know, look, if you have a 9 to 5 and it makes you smile at night, so be it. It makes you happy. Because trust me, you can have $1 billion and dead, but you can have $20,000 flat and live a long, long, happy life. So trust me, we work hard, we work for the money, we work for the financial freedom, but there's more to life. And it's always a great reminder to have that in your head, because success comes with you detaching your emotions from your work. When you get too attached to all the results and all the failures, especially the failures, that's where you'll start to fail. But if you have your emotions detached, and you just keep going, keep at it, keep trying, and you're enjoying the process, like you dance while you're fucking working, that's where results will come. But I hope that left a nice, valuable lesson to start off the video. But I did not want to talk about that. What I want to talk about is how I despise paid ads. You're probably like, what? Julian, I've been following you for such a long time. And if you haven't, Julian, I've been following you right now. This is the first time I just started following you. And I'm pretty much aware that all you do is paid ads. You do dropshipping. So that means you're doing, well, you can do organic, but you do paid ads. You do TikTok ads, Snapchat ads, Facebook ads. You pay for ads. That's all you do. Yes. And let me tell you why I fucking hate it. I've been having so many issues. So many issues with these ad platforms. They fuck you over. You know what I'm saying? They fuck you over in every possible aspect. With all these stupid bans, all these stupid restrictions and suspensions and fucking ghost banning, whatever the fuck it's called, your shadow banned into the fucking shadow realm. Like, it's ridiculous. It's absolutely ridiculous how many issues I had to deal with these stupid bans. And if I'm not banned, it's like my account is flagged, it works, and I'm paying money, but my CPMs are 100 fucking plus, and no one is fucking paying $100 to see it to get 1,000 views. I could post literally me fucking doing this on a video and get 1,000 views. It makes no sense. And yes, it's very frustrating. And do I despise it? Probably, yes. But look, I'm not a quitter. I started with paid ads. I've developed over a year skills and knowledge for paid ads. I'm not a quitter. I don't give up. You know, I actually, one time when I decided to do dropshipping, decided maybe I should just take a break from YouTube. But I said, fuck no. I'm not a quitter. Everything that I start, I fucking finish. I go to the finish line. No matter how fucking long it takes, I try to remind myself that even if it takes 10 times longer than someone else, I don't care. I reach the finish line, because majority of people, mostly, almost everyone, doesn't even cross the finish line. So yes, I started dropshipping. I started Facebook or TikTok or paid ads. I will fucking finish it. But damn right, let me tell you, when I get the base set up, you know, the foundations where I can finally move to bigger and better things, I'm not touching a single fucking paid ad myself. I'll tell everyone to go you know, paid ads, the reason why they're so bad, these ad platforms, if by the way, if you're not spending $1 million a month on the ad platform, you're kind of counted as a small advertiser. And what these ad platforms do, these small advertisers, they fuck you in the ass, because the small advertisers are like the majority of the users on the platform, but they don't bring the most money. The 1%, the people that are spending millions and millions and millions of dollars, they bring 99% of the money to the ad platforms. So they'll care more about that 1% than the rest of the 99% of people. And they'll actually screw you over, because let's say when an ad platform is doing well, it's going up, it's on the rise, it's getting more trending, yeah, they'll include everyone. But once, the ad platform is doing well for themselves, the people, the small advertisers, cause 99% of the headaches for the ad platform, because we're so much more bigger than, the 1% of spending more money. So what they'll do is they'll just double our cost per clicks. They'll just double it. They'll literally drain us out. They'll ban all your accounts. They'll drain you out because they don't want you. You don't bring in the money for them. And this is true. Search it up. What can you search? You can search up like ad platform slaps, paid ad slaps. The marketers call it slaps because they slap us in the fucking face. So basically, you're going against the current. You're going against, they don't have the path paved for you. You're going against all adversity. So that's why I hate it. But trust me, in the future, I bet you, because there's two types of traffics. There's paid traffic, the ones that you have control over. But then there's earned traffic, which is free, which is just building connections, doing podcasts, connecting with other people, talking. They help you promote your stuff on their email lists, on their videos, on their podcasts, their platforms, their posts. And with genuine connections, human interactions, you can get a lot of leads to whatever the fuck you're selling. And that's my plan. Right now, I started this, like I said, and I'm kind of like a nobody. But if you're following me, I love you. You're the early OGs. But I'm kind of a nobody. So right now, it's hard to make connections. So right now, I'm doing Facebook or TikTok or paid ads in general. But trust me, mark my words here. When I get out of this situation, when I build my first, like I said, the stepping stone, the first foundation, the hard rock, I won't touch a single fucking ad platform. I paid ad platform. I promise you that right now. If I do anything like lead generations for some fucking webinar, seminar, fucking anything I'll do in the future, I'll have an agency account ran by an agency who will do all the fucking work. I'm not touching a single. It pisses me off. Because they're not for you. You're small entrepreneurs trying to make something, trying to change the world, trying to make something better for yourself and for a lot of other people, and they fuck you. They go against you. And look, as you can sit down and cry about it as much as you want, but guess what? That's the whole fucking world. And the whole fucking world's out to it. It's us versus them. The whole world's out to get you. I want to make that clear. Especially if you're on the side of truth in the world full of lies. The whole world's against you. So you have to get used to it. I think the reason why I've been put in this situation in my life is because God's trying to build my character. Getting me used to going through adversity and getting people and things and situations against me. And I stand there. Let me try to imitate Tate. And I stand there, unfazed. Yeah, just keep pushing. Don't be a bitch. Don't give up. realize the situation, you realize that these things are out to, get you. They're not for you. They're against you. But it doesn't matter, because you're a boss, you're a king, and you keep fucking pushing. No matter what adversity, you keep going. Because that's the type of people I want watching this video. That's the type of people I want in my fucking subscriptions. That's the type of people I want in my community, my group, the people I talk to. That's the type of people I want. If you're a quitter, get the fuck out of here. Get out of here. I don't want you. Go learn how to not be a quitter, then come back. I don't want you. I want hardcore fucking killers. In the eyes. I want the fire. You know, when people say you can see it in the eyes. See, I can see in the eyes. If there's that fire. Like, I will fucking go to the end. No matter, even if I die. Over exaggeration. But even if, whatever it fucking takes. I want those hardcore killers. And if you are, that means you need to like, subscribe, comment, share the video, help the algorithm, pass around to other hardcore killers. Because like I said, if this video helped you, if you found even the littlest value, learned one thing, or enjoyed one thing, that means someone else will as well. You should pay it forward, help the algorithm with this video to reach other people, likely minded people. Pay it forward, because God will reward you. And that is when I'll fucking see you at the motherfucking top. Outro.